Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this security camera that I just got. It's kind of sprinkling a little bit, but I had already set up. This is the Baseus camera. I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing it right. Comes in this box. Comes with two cameras and a router. That's one of the best things that I like about this type of cameras, that they come with their own router, so you're not so exposed to getting hacked. Sure, you still can, but not as easily. The cameras are rechargeable, so you charge them. Behind the router there is a USB where you can connect it, and it comes with a cable. You can connect it there, or you can connect it to any cell phone charger that has a USB. It comes with a connection cable for it, and it lasts up to 210 days, again depending on how you use it or how often does it come on. Now you can set up the perimeter of when you want it to turn on. Again, if you have traffic, you want to minimize how often it goes on and off. It will recognize people, it will recognize cars. It has a two-way talk, so you can hear and talk to the person or whatever is going on in the front. You can also you get notifications on your phone when there is movement going on. It has a 145-degree angle view, which is pretty good. And again, you have two. You can look at both of them at the same time or separately. It has a 2K resolution, and you can zoom into whatever it is that you want to look at. So if you want to look at the package or get a hold of the, get a better look of the face of the person, whatever it is that you need to. You can give your information or your password, to other people, their spouse or whoever you want, and they can have access to the same viewing that you have on your app. They just have to download the app and get your same security. And to install it is very easy. It comes with the hardware. All you have to do is put a couple of screws on the base. Whether you're going to install it against a fence or concrete or whatever material, it comes with that hardware that you need. Once you drill it in, you put just your base. It is adjustable, so you can put it at any angle you want, and this will rotate. And that's it. I will turn on the app and I'll show you how good it looks. Also at night, you get the color, so it's not that typical night vision kind of black and green. But this is actually full color, and it has lights that are built in, so you can turn them on in case that you need to, again, to be able to see better. So now I'm gonna go to the app and I'll show you how it works. This is the home station. This comes with a USB port on the back. This is where you're gonna connect the batteries. It only takes a couple hours to charge, but it lasts up to 7 months. So, again, you charge them both, and 7 months, you don't have to worry about it. Very easy. You just plug it in right here. It comes with the Ethernet cable, but I have my own already, so I'm just gonna plug it right here. And it'll go through the cycling, and this will turn blue, which means that we'll connect to the camera and you'll be set. Let's just give it a second. And there it is. That's as quickly as it goes. And now we'll look at the camera. So I'm opening the app, and right away I'm going to try the alarm. And as you can see, I was also zooming in and out, which I will do again. It has an 8 times zooming capability, and as you can see, it has a 45-degree angle of view, which is pretty good. And now the base also has a 16 terabytes of memory, so you can record all of this. Now at night, I'm gonna be looking at the night vision, and as you can see, it has a color night vision. And then I'm also gonna put it on the black and white vision. And right there is pretty much almost with color. And then this is the spotlight that I'm turning on just so it shows a little bit better. And then without the light. So on this one, I'm just trying it over here, and it is raining, so you can see it's waterproof. weatherproof. It's a really good camera. The quality of it is really nice. So you can see it very well, as you can see on the screen attachments that I put. And so I hope that you guys find it as reliable, as good quality, and as safe as I do.